So excited, so excited. Y'all, I am so excited to be taking down my hair. Taking down my hair. I'm taking down my hair. Hey. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're not, then welcome back. All right. If you're not a part of the family, go ahead and join us and hit that subscribe button down below and join the gang. I do live videos on Wednesdays and weekly vlogs on Saturdays at 8 a.m. So, I don't know what's up with me today. Y'all woke up with like some serious energy. It's crazy. Anywho, I'm not complaining though. It's about that time, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see how loose this is. Honey, it's time to take this down. So that is what this video is going to be. It is going to be another Takedown my retwists with Shar KB TV. Let me shut up. Anywho. Yes, you guys, it has been a full 2 weeks, and so we are about to take this down, honey. It is so loose. I don't even know how this is still, like, formed together. So, that's what we about to do, y'all. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy these videos when I take my hair down with you guys so y'all can see exactly what my hair looks like after a retwist and after it has been styled. I'm ready to play in my hair, y'all, or not even really playing it, but just for it to be free. So we can do what it do. It'll be, let's see, we're coming up on 4 months next month, y'all. Time is really flying by. I cannot believe it. Ooh, look at them. Look at my babies. My babies. Let's see. What is there? A rubber band or something? Probably. Yeah. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Oh my gosh, this is going to be my last video of 2020. Oh my gosh, y'all. What do I have to say about 2020? Ooh, wee child. Honey, 2020 took us through a lot of trials and tribulations, honey, that we did not know we was going to survive. But we did. So we shaking all of that away. We shaking all of 2020 away. That's what we're doing right now. We're going to shake it real good. Okay? And we are free. Okay? That is very ironic that this is that video. My last video of 2020. Me taking down my hair. We are releasing all of 2020. We are freeing ourselves from all the negativity and all the bad that happened this year. And 2021 is going to be better. We're going to make it better. Okay? Because we have the power to speak positivity over our life. We have the power to speak life and speak things into existence. And baby, that's what we're going to do. I am excited for what's to come. I'm excited for growth. I'm excited to be healthy. I'm excited to travel. I'm excited to pay off some bills. I'm excited to grow my hair. Like, I'm just excited. Look at these locks, y'all. We really locking. We were really getting there, y'all. I hope y'all can really see. Oh, they getting so long. Look at this. She told me in the next couple months, it'll be less frizz and it'll be more actual lockage, if that's a word. You know, my ends are still pretty curly. But like, some like these, like it's really, we're really locking. Show y'all the back. This feels like a nice thick one. Hopefully y'all can see it. Nice thick. I hope y'all can see them good. I think, y'all, look at this. I think they are really getting long. Like, they're a little stiff right now because I took them out of the hairstyle, but I'm probably just gonna leave it like this for the rest of the day. Honestly, I'm not going anywhere. And I'm just gonna let them be free. Yo, let them be free. Look at that hang time though. Man. So yes, you guys, some upcoming videos is going to be my night routine with my locks, how I wear, like what I do to them when I go to bed, and it's going to be a styled versus not styled locks, because I do two different things. And then another video is I'm going to do a lock count. So I'm going to do a lock count. We're going to see how much locks I have. So you guys stay tuned for those videos. And then by that time, it'll probably be time for my 4-month lock update. Y'all, I remember when I was making my first video. Now look at my babies, almost 4 months later. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anywho, I love you guys so much, and I love all my new subscribers, everybody that likes my videos, watches them, comments. I love you guys so much. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and put the emoji. Ooh, I should do something for New Year's. Do the champagne bottle, because we popping bottles, okay? Because when y'all are seeing this, this is my last video of 2020. Like, what? Like, what? So, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and post a champagne bottle, because it's time to pop champagne bottles to bring in the new year, baby, okay? I want y'all to really reflect on yourselves and get your goals down and pray to the Lord, and let's bring this year in right, okay? I love y'all so much. I feel like this was a great year for my channel. Things are growing. We're growing. We're doing big things. So I love you guys so much. Go ahead and comment a champagne bottle down below, or let me know what your goals are for the new year's and everything like that. And I will give a shout out in my next video. I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Happy New Year.